Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to share your geolocation in Telegram. You'll be able to poison your position to a friend so he can route there. And he'll also be able to see how you're moving. How do you do that? It's very simple. You go to the Telegram app. Now you open up any chat room. For example, I opened a chat with saved messages. Now we click on the button Staple, and now we click Location. And now we wait a couple of seconds for our position to be as accurate as possible. After we've waited, the accuracy is better. Now we click Send. Now our friend can click here and see where we are. This is how it works. If we want to send our location so that the person can see our movement, we click Share My Live Location For. Click here and go into the settings. Here we allow access to our location. Choose Always. Go back to Telegram and choose the time we want. For example, 1 hour. To finish showing the location, press Cancel. The method is relevant in 2024. That's the easy way. This was the Phone Support Channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.